please.
You got your toy, little smile boy with your toy. That's your toy.
Another guy had to cut a piece of his own brain out of his head. Yeah, that was fucking insane. It was disgusting. It was the most vile thing I have ever seen.
We love you. We love you.
The story. Get over here and listen. Are you listening? Today we're going to go to the beach. We're going to get a little bit of chicken. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
This is my dog Duck. About 10 times a day I'm forced to come over here because he's dropped his ball. And he just stands. He just stands until somebody gets it for him. Jesus.
Did you just try to eat me? Oh, you really did. Mom, you can't eat me.
Hey, get your leash. Let's go. There's a lady outside with her pit bull, and she's talking shit. So I'm gonna get the mom, and you get her dog. You ready?